We all wear many hats. I think we're all just dynamic people, and to think that you can't do something, to me, is real limiting. You know what I mean? I think that we're all capable of doing many different things. We just tend to sell ourselves short, out of fear, I guess. You know what I mean? In fear of failure, or fear of disappointment.
Yeah, I mean, I want to celebrate the legacy of Miss Lauryn Hill. Lauryn has been one artist I've been trying to get on Halftime Chat for an interview, but yeah, she doesn't do many interviews, doesn't talk as much especially since she became a solo artist. During the early days of the Fugees, Lauryn was easily accessible, but when she became solo, and especially after her sort of a second album, which wasn't officially released as an album because it was done on MTV. It was done on MTV. So that album, I mean, that was a MTV Unplugged album, which actually is one of probably it's a beautiful album. She poured her heart. I really loved that album, and I loved the transformation that she went through. But that has been it. She's only released one studio album and one album that she did live on MTV. Unfortunately, Lauryn has a reputation of being late to shows. The Fugees have tried on numerous occasions to reunite, but I think creative differences has put that aside. But I still want to be able to celebrate Lauryn because of she reminds me of a female version of Tupac.
Life is peaks and valleys, and some people think some people explain that as good times, bad times, but I actually think it's learning, or let's say learning mastership, okay, or study mastership. Now, I went from the top of one mountain. I'd mastered something. And people appreciated it. But, once you're on the top of that mountain, you have to go this way. But in hip hop, everybody's like, I'm not moving. I'm the master. I'm great. I'm dope. I'm hot. I'm here. I've arrived. I'm not going anywhere. And that's what you stay stuck on top of one hill, one mountain, when, God's intention is that we study and master a bunch of different things. And so here I am, descending this hill, and everybody's like, where you going? We're supposed to be on the top of the hill.
Very intellectual, very able to look at the system, speak her truth, regardless of the consequences. But as an artist, I think she faced a number of demons within the music industry and in life, and it sort of affected her creativity that she gave to us.
Tell me who I have to be to get some red surprise tea. 'Cause no one loves you more than me. Oh, no one ever will. No matter how I think we grow, you always seem to let me know it ain't working. No, it ain't working. And when I try to walk away,
she is touring quite a bit now, and hopefully, I get to see her live one day. But yeah, I just wanted to use this space just to remember, reflect, and honor Lauryn Hill. As I keep working to bring on this show, if I could get Elder Barge, I'm sure Lauryn Hill can't be too difficult. But yeah, just let me know what your thoughts about Lauryn Hill, some of the memories, what your favorite song is by Lauryn Hill, what you thought about her MTV Unplugged album, if you thought it was as a masterpiece as I did or not. Take care.
Motives and thoughts. Rotating bodies, confusion of sound, negative imagery holding us down, social delusion, clearly constructed, human condition, morals corrupted, trapped in reaction, lawlessness, war, dissatisfaction from bowels to core, devil's technology, strategy 4, human mythologies, urban folklore, sicker psychology, counterfeit cure, wicked theology robbing the poor, scheme demonology mislead the pure, stricken strategically studying war, light shown in darkness, image exposed, few can see through the new emperor's clothes, lustful this hustle turns humans to hoes, when the blind lead the blind, just more trouble and woes. It's the mind that they chose, it's designed to stay closed. Standards of jokers, court jester logic, cyclic and cosmic from schoolyard to college. Primitive man in his civilized knowledge, system collapsing he still won't acknowledge. God is the savior, studies behavior, trying to fix the mixed mind that he gave you. Stiff-necked scholars on prescription meds, wishing their problems was all in their heads. Moral dilemma, pride at the root, misguided from youth, heart divided from truth. Egyptians and Grecians, spiritually dead, empirically led by the good gods in their heads. Motives and thoughts, industrial wealth, global economy in it for self. Heart full of madness, covered with kind, pleasure designed to take over your mind. Furnished in godliness, painted in good, this tainted priesthood's got real saints misunderstood. While classes and government set up the veil and cultivate minds for more mythical tales. Typical Hollywood, follies, good girl, while vice and corruption take over the world. Motives and thoughts. Check your motives and thoughts. Blind with the wickedness deep in your heart. Modern day wickedness is all you've been taught. Lie to your neighbors so you get ahead. Modern day trickery is all you've been fed. Motives and thoughts. Check your motives and thoughts. Thank you.
Refugees up in here. Sicilians, Jersey, Hilltown, it never stop. The whole refugee camp, yo, 1, 2, yo. We used to be number 10, now we permanent 1. In the battle, lost my finger. Mike became my arm, pistol nozzle, hit your nasal. Blood becomes lukewarm, tell them, be easy now, squeeze the sharp line. That's why cleft, see that flesh get scorned. These so bad, make you feel like you ain't wanna be born. And tell your friends, stay the hell out of my lawn. Chicken George became the George, stealing chickens from my farm. Another dead pigeon. If you're mafiosis, then I'm bringing on Haitian Sicilian. Nobody's shooting. My body's made a hand grenade. Girl bled to death while she was sunk in a razor blade. That sounds sick, maybe one day I write the horror. Black killer comes to the ghetto, stick 'em up, Jackson Acura. Stevie Wonder sees crack babies becoming enemies of their own families. I'ma get and come, you know what we soon done. Gun by my side just in case I got the rum. A boy on the side of the Bible, try to run like it down with Moses. Ooh la la la, it's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la la, it's the natural law only Fugees can bring. Ooh la 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 la, so we sing. Yeah. In saloons we drink booze and battle goons to hide new bus rap tunes on black spoons, take no shorts like boom booms. See hoochies buy Gucci's for Gucci's and Gucci find me in my Mitsubishi eating sushi bumping Fuji. Hey, try to take the tune when we don't play. Say, like Paul McCartney, not hardly on. Look it up, I can see right through your bluff. Jokers humping, they pump when they can't handle us. We bust, cause we fortified. I could never hide, singly hot. Cry when cold cheese died. I'm twisted, blacklisted by some other Negroes. Don't remove my polos on the first episode. Russia and this refugees and the whole sound set boozy and here on Squirt TV, cause I'm super fly when I'm super high on the Fuji line. Ooh la la la, it's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la I sit 90 degrees underneath palm trees, smoking BDs as I burn my calories. What? Brooklyn rooftops become Brooklyn people. Who that be? Enemy, wanna see the death of me. From Hawaii to Hong Kong, I run marathons like Buju Banton, I'm a true champion like Farrakhan races Delhi Quran. It's a phenomenon, lyrics fast like what's going on? I'ma get it, come, you know what we soon done. Gun by my side just in case I gotta run. A boy on the side of Babylon trying to front like you're down with Moon Zion. What's going on? I'ma get it, come, you know what we soon done. Gun by my side just in case I gotta run. A boy on the side of Babylon trying to front like you're down with Moon Zion.
Ooh la la la, it's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la la, it's the natural law only foodies can bring. Ooh la 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 la, so beating.
She love me like she never before.
Refugees. What?
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. I'm gonna find you and take it slowly. I said ready or not. You can't hide. I'm gonna find you and take you. There's another space you want to break. Those who are making up the world they hate. Jump off and go to get it. Those who break that break. When they get this 400 pounds, they're fucking rule the world. Everyone is getting drunk. Even young people walk. Getting up and on their doors. Yo, I can remember cooking over the shine. I'm supposed to put in concrete. In the streets for no movie. Welcome to the state of city. Take a like a rebel. Yeah, I did that. Got the money to the bank. They go like a train. Wanna play with the kids from in the back. I'm blind, sweet, fast, and quick, quick. Girl, push my hands to the body. I take time. I'm killing it in a little bit. Hold again, only to me. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find you. Here I come. I'm gonna find you. I play my enemies like I came to chest with my face. No stress, no smoke sex. I was gonna count my destiny. One Texas lies like a tax in the cold. Rap fortunes and cold king and pastors. Catch the mountain like hurting your best. That's not what you represent, what I have. When some bitches do what you don't do. Show you I can do what you do. Easy, believe me. Someone you ever take out the phone. I've been in this alone. Never getting on your microphone. Here I come. You can't hide from me. I'm gonna find your thing. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide from me. You can't run away from the stars I got. Can't believe, 'cause anywhere you go, my old girl got you going crazy. Come and look at her from the top. I think we're like a refugee taking over. Buffalo soldier, dreadlock rasta. I'm riding my power. Who was the other while they were pushing the flower? Super fly, super die, super